Don't get me wrong on this one. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, a big Kaizer Chiefs fan. But I love when I see talent, I just literally give it its flowers, bro. You know, sometimes mawubona umuntu ukuthi umnandi ukuthi hayi ntwana wena umnandi, bra, hayi umnandi, le ntwana imnandi. Ikayitshele mfethu yabo. And if you could help mncede ukuthi if intwana yena ama-soccer boots mbhayele ohlanganisane mfethu intwana ikhona ukuphusha yabo ibe mnandi. But right now we have been seeing tabloids. Okay, at first as I've explained, I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan. I don't know the full story or what's going on, you know. I love this player though, right? Not for Orlando Pirates, but for the nation as a whole, bro. For Bafana Bafana, I love his style of play. Even if okay, sharp. It's from, I think it's from Blom or what, but I just love seeing players from, you know, from coming from young age, growing, developing, and becoming good, you know. Yeah, so I don't wanna lie, man. Saleng is amazing, bro. You know. Saleng is a good player, an amazing player. I love Saleng, bro. Okay, at first they started saying that it was just personal issues. He's going through personal issues. The team is in support, blah, blah, blah. Alright, cool, we understood. And now, okay, he's back. And I don't want to lie, bro. As I'm saying, that's the reason I said I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan. I made sure I say that. Because I don't know what's happening internally, you know. And I've realized one thing that Orlando Pirates, I don't know fans, but I've seen some fans fighting for this, that they want to see Saleng playing back, you know. Because I don't want to lie, I love Nkota. Nkota udlala diski, Nkota umnandi. But Nkota usase intwana encane. If ungabheka uNkota around ngedabi, beka freeze, uyabona ukuthi esintwana encane isashawa kwa peer pressure nyana. Avoid not saying peer pressure, pressure edabi, sase intwana, you know. Abo mufukeng talaba, yabo. Bakhona kule ndawo yabona, they can maneuver, they can ngiyangithola. Mara mawuphethe uNkota, okay, I feel like it would be better ukuthi uqale uSaleng bese mawuSaleng ngathi obvious umbuyisa kwi-team ngithi he cannot play that full game. Mawuqala uSaleng, mawulo ngathi yabona ukuthi awukhaya uSaleng ngathi yakhathala ufaka uNkota. That's how Nkota would literally get into the, you know, these big games, lama game la amakhulu, you know, against your Sundowns and stuff, you know. But manje mawuzoshatha intwana efana noSaleng mfethu umbhentsha. Okay, we know he was going through stuff. I don't know what those stuff are. It's cool. But even if it's a technical team with the team, why don't you guys loan him out, bro? Let's say go course. I don't want to lie, Saleng is a good player. Like, I don't want to lie. Even right now, I feel like he won't be selected for the Bafana squad going to AFCON, because I think it's actually even late. Because why? He was not playing. And he's part of the team. I know there was some rumors that he was missing practice, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, it's cool. We understand. We play. They are players. There are people also. Understand that, you know. They go through stuff. The team must help. Good. They are advising that they are in support with them and stuff, you know. Help. And even if help the player to come back, bro. You know. But I don't want to lie, bro. What's happening to Saleng right now, it's very sad, bro. It's like literally we got brushed off. Literally got brushed off. I no longer see him on the bench. I don't watch that much of Orlando Pirates game, but the ones I've watched, I didn't see him moving on the bench, you know. And it's sad to see such talent, bro. If you're not going to play him, loan him out, bro. You know, loan him out so that he can get some game time. Okay, I know there are some rumors that he wants to renew his contract. Orlando Pirates doesn't want to sign that. He's already grown. Loan him out or sell him. You know, make it easier. I feel like this one, for me saying this, I'm just saying this for South African football. You know, I feel like that's one thing that kills some of these players we have. As long as there's another new one on his position, we forget about Luanai, you know, and which is bad because we need that so that even our national team could be strong like that, bro. You know, not focus just on okay with the little Pirates, with the little Chiefs. You know, no. But I wanna lie, what's going on to Saleng now? It's very sad, bro. And I feel like if Orlando Pirates is not going to play him, they should just loan him out or sell him, bro. I want to lie, because I feel like they don't want to renew his contract, because apparently they're advising that he's old and stuff like that. I don't think a player like Saleng is still old, bro. That boy is talented. He still needs to play. So I don't want to lie, that's how I feel about Saleng. His situation is very sad, bro. I don't want to lie, and I really would like to see a player like him playing, you know. But I don't know, man. Please let me know how you feel about his situation, and how do you feel like Orlando Pirates should deal with this situation, and if they should loan him or just sell him, bro, because it's like they no longer want to play him, and show that he can help in quarter, man, you know. But anyway, that's how I feel from my end. From me, Katlego Sparkles, aka The Juice. See you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.